Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the Motorola G34. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode, so open the top menu and make sure that you have this feature deactivated. In the next step, hold the finger on WhatsApp and go to the app info. We're gonna start from notifications. Of course, check that you have this feature turned on and go to the additional settings. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on these two switchers. In the next step, make the backup of your messages in the WhatsApp and go to the storage and cache. Choose clear storage and tap on the delete. If you still don't have your alerts, let's open settings and go to the system, select the reset options and tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Now tap on the reset settings button twice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.